Neha and you're watching Mustard Temper Dreams. In today's episode, we are going to make a very popular and an iconic Sindhi dish called Sai Bhaji. In Sindhi, the word Sai means green and hence the name of the dish. Sai Bhaji is a delicious, hearty and healthy traditional Sindhi dish that is made using Chana dal, which is also called Bengal gram or split chickpeas, and a lot of leafy greens and vegetables. This protein-packed and nutritious Sai Bhaji is a perfect comfort meal when served with a steaming bowl of rice and a dollop of ghee. So let's go make this yummy Sai Bhaji, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below.
It's best to use a pressure cooker to make Sai Bhaji. Here I'm using my 4-liter pressure cooker. Now let's start by heating about 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. We'll saute the ginger garlic paste for a few seconds till it loses its raw smell. Then we'll add 3 chopped green chillies and saute them for a few seconds. As the ginger garlic begin to brown, we'll add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. We'll saute the onions till they wilt and become translucent. Then we'll add 1 cup of Chana dal that's been soaked overnight and drained.
In case you forget to soak the Chana dal overnight, like I do many a times, you can totally soak the Chana dal in some hot water for about an hour before you start the cook.
Now we'll saute the Chana dal with the onions for a minute or 2. And now it's time to add the veggies. We'll start with a cubed potato. We'll give this a quick mix and then add a small carrot that's chopped. Next, I'm adding half a cup of chopped cluster beans or Guvar. And finally, in goes a big chopped up tomato. Feel free to add any vegetables of your choice. You can even add eggplants if you like them. We'll saute the veggies for a minute or 2 and then add the powdered spices. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of Cumin-Coriander mix powder. We'll thoroughly mix in the masalas into the veggies.
And now it's time to add the leafy greens.
We'll start by adding 1/4 cup of dill leaves or Suva. Next, I'm adding 3/4 cup of Methi or Fenugreek leaves. Now we'll mix in the Methi and the dill leaves thoroughly. And now in goes the hero of this dish, spinach. Here I'm adding about 250 grams of spinach leaves. We'll mix in the spinach leaves and cook them till they completely wilt. And now we'll add in about 3 cups of water, or enough water to just about cover the veggies and the dal. Next, we'll add in some salt to taste and bring the dal to a simmer. Now we'll pressure cook the Sai Bhaji for about 5 to 6 whistles or till the Chana dal is completely cooked. Wow, this Sai Bhaji looks perfectly cooked. Now we'll mash the Sai Bhaji with a masher till it comes to a smooth and thick consistency. Wow, just look at this Sai Bhaji. This looks extremely delicious.
This smells so good. Let's taste it. Wow, that is really tasty. Now I'm going to make some hot rice to go with this delicious Sai Bhaji. Do try this classic Sindhi recipe and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next week. Bye!